Hello everyone, welcome to Preheat. Summer is the perfect time to enjoy a refreshing fruity dessert, and a fruit pizza is just the thing to satisfy your sweet tooth. And it's always fun to make colorful desserts during the festival Holi. So first let's make a sweet and buttery crust for the pizza. So into a large bowl add in all-purpose flour, baking powder and powdered sugar. Mix that in. Then add in cold butter and mix it with the flour. You can mix it either with your hands or just add it to a blender and pulse it. Now bring it together and make it into a dough like this. Transfer that onto a baking tray lined with parchment paper and spread it out. First spread it using your hands and then use a bowl to flatten it nicely. Now prick it using a fork so that it will not puff up during baking. Now bake this in 180-degree preheated oven for 15 to 20 minutes or until you can see a brown shade on top. Meanwhile, let's blend together some cream cheese, butter, powdered sugar and some vanilla essence. Blend it till it becomes nice creamy. Now keep that aside and let's unmold the pizza base. Allow it to cool down completely and then unmold it. Now let's assemble the fruit pizza. Here the colorful fruits are also ready. So on top of the pizza base, let's add the cream cheese and spread it. First I'm adding the strawberry slices. The fruits and the designs are completely your choice. You can add more or delete some. You can add mangoes, mandarins, blueberries, raspberries or any type of nuts. Anything tastes really great in this fruit pizza. After strawberries, then comes the kiwi. After the kiwi layer, I'm adding some grapes. Then in the middle, some pomegranates. You can play with different designs and arrange it till you get satisfied. After arranging all the fruits, you can refrigerate it for 30 minutes, then cut a slice from the fruit pizza and enjoy. A perfect summer dessert, a perfect recipe during Holi. So definitely try out this recipe, leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Click the logo to subscribe to Preheat. Watch more amazing recipes from our channel. Thank you.